Hey, Trey Veston here, just doing a quick review of the tires. Well, not really a review, but just let you know that got new tires and initial impressions, and that they actually will fit. They're big, giant 37 by 1250 17. All right, and it is, gosh, just a gorgeous day out here. Oh, Arlo. Yeah, 42 degrees. All righty, they are the new Milestar Patagonia XTs, and they've got a nice looking sidewall. Yeah, they are 3-peak snowflake rated, 3 mountain whatever right there, and they ride smooth. They're quiet. Unfortunately, the discount tire that installed them, they can never balance a tire. So I'm just going to take it to a local shop because they're 70 discounts and they're 70 miles away. But truck's basically suspension stock. I've got a 2.5-inch leveling kit on the front, and so these are 37s, and I had to do some cutting away of the plastic in the body seam and then repaint. And so yeah, so they just barely fit. And the rims, they're a 17 by 8 with a 0 offset, so it's the wrong offset. They say you want to put the like a plus 15 to plus 25 offset to get these to fit better, but they still work. And then I've got, they might have rubbed in the front if I didn't have this aftermarket bumper on. So yeah, I'm sure they would have rubbed, but I've got this crappy bumper on there. So yeah, they're good looking tires. Coming up here, since it's so warm, it's just a muddy mess, and I was able to get up here in 2-wheel drive with no traction control or anything. And you can see it's pretty sloppy, and I didn't feel any tire spin or anything. So yeah, they're tracking good. So there you go. 37s looked about right on it. Not too obnoxiously big, and it's beefy enough to know that it's a little bit more capable. So yeah, alrighty, Trey Veston out.